Hey James, I thought I'd make a video to show what I was looking for and the differences to maybe help out some. You said you were trying to learn this, well, so am I, so I thought this was kind of useful. But so on the left here is the RECON pack, on the right is the ILBE. You can kind of tell the difference because the RECON pack has this long tail that detaches, and if you detach it, it has the MOLLE all the way top to bottom. On the ILBE, this part of the pack is not detachable. It's sewn in, and you can see there's only 4 rows of MOLLE, and then there's 4 on the bottom, but the main thing is this isn't detachable. Other than that, on the front, the two are basically the same. On the RECON pack, you can tell RECON pack that it has 2 drawstrings, a lower one and a higher one, where on the ILBE there's only 1 drawstring. So you can see that. That's also a way to tell the difference in the pack. Then on the RECON here, it's got the camo all the way around the side, on both sides, where on the ILBE it has this kind of reinforced material for the side holders. That's another way to tell the difference. To say the difference about the inside, like as I was mentioning, as you can see here on the RECON pack, it has clips for the radio pouch that go in, where on the ILBE pack, it just has the straps. There's no clips on the inside. So what my thought was that if I had the packs that had the same in the Gen 2, as I sent you that link, apparently the Gen 2 has 2 different versions. They have a version of a Gen 2 with just the straps, or they have a version of the Gen 2 that has clips like the RECON over here, where it has the clips on the inside. So my thought was to try and have, if you can't get it in the RECON pack, to get an ILBE pack where these are clips instead of the straps. And then it's interesting, I noticed, I read an article that said the ILBE lid, which the ILBE lid should have MOLLE just on the top. But on this one here, the ILBE has MOLLE on the bottom too, and an extra strap. And you can see here it clips in. It has a clip here on the lid, and a clip here, and it has a center like compression lashing strap. Where on the RECON, lid, it looks like there's only MOLLE on the top, and there's no MOLLE on the bottom like we saw on the other one. And on this one here, there's just, here it shows 2 straps, 2 clips, one here and one here. And where the other one had a center strap here, compression strap, this one just has a buckle. So I'm not sure if it's missing a clip here, or what the center part is for. Can't quite tell. I think maybe it's a strap coming from the front side wrapping up, but it's kind of hard to tell. And actually, to let you know, the hip belts, the hip belt here for the RECON pack actually states the word RECON. It's kind of hard to see there, but you see RECON main hip, where on the ILBE one it doesn't say it. They look identical, but I think so now the RECON's on the right here. The hip pads are more curved, where the ILBE is more straight. But other than that, that's about it. So like I said, my intention was just to have all the accessory pouches and attachments to be similar Gen 2s, so they're swappable between the two. These are kind of confusing. I didn't realize there's so many variants of these, but hope this helps some. I noticed the picture on your eBay page is of the RECON pack. If you look at the, as I mentioned, on your listing, you're showing the RECON pack, which has all these MOLLE strips up and down, where the ILBE doesn't. It stops. You have this flap that's sewn on, and then more MOLLE at the bottom. So just another thing I noticed. So I appreciate your help, and I'll post this to you in a link tonight. Thanks, man. All right, bye.